Designated.
What's up, goats? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna actually install these shadow lights that goes on my door on my F80 M3. Now, I have been reading the comments. Today's video is gonna be short and sweet. I have been reading the comments and I realized when I applied the Shime Armor in the last video or last two videos, I realized I applied it wrong. It's supposed to go on the interior of the car as opposed to the exterior of the car. So we're also gonna do that today again. Applied on the interior, and I did reach out to Shime Armor and they said that it wouldn't affect my tints, so I wouldn't even have to worry about that either. So with no further ado, let's hop right into the video. All right. Before y'all flame me in the comments below, let me just address this first. You know, my shirt is a little wet, right? And the reason why it's wet is because I just got back from the gym and I just received my package from Bimmer plug. So I just want to install it real quick, just to, you know, get the car looking nice. So don't flame me, you know, please bear with me. And I hope you guys enjoy the content. Let's go. All right. So right now it's light as shit outside. So you guys probably can't see it, but the light that I'm looking for is literally, oh, it's right here. It's in the door card. Let me bring you guys a little closer so you see what I'm looking at. All right, so if you guys take a look right here, it's supposed to be the M logo, but it's cracked. I guess from me closing the door and everything, it looks like it's a little bit cracked. So we're gonna replace it. It's still the M logo, but it's a different style of the M logo. And I'm gonna show you guys at nighttime how it looks as well. So let's get into the install. All right, so we have the old one right here. You guys take a look. We're gonna go ahead and plug that out. And this is the old one that was in the car. That looks broken on the inside, but I could be wrong. But let's go ahead and install the new one. All right, so just to show you guys a comparison, this is the new one that I got from Bimmer plug. So you can see that it comes with the extension cable to plug inside of it so that you can put this back into the car. It's literally just a 2-pin. So if you look at this, there's 2 pins here. And then if you go at the bottom where the wire is at, where the hell is this wire? It's like 2 notches, you can't miss it. 2 is blocked out and 2 has the wire in, so you know exactly where to put it. So let's go ahead and get that connected. Y'all can see the difference with the old and with the new. Let's see what it looks like. Now I know it's too light. I'm gonna show you guys the dark version later, but let's see. Ooh, I think I put that in the wrong way. And just like that, it's flipped around. There you go. Don't worry, you guys are gonna get a better view tonight. Let's go ahead and do the other side now. Ooh, look how clear that is. So that install was actually very simple and easy. You guys could literally do it anywhere you are. It takes about 2 seconds, and all you need is either a flathead either a flathead screwdriver or a pry tool just to get the light down. Now I do recommend a pry tool because as you guys can see, as I was prying down the first one, it seems like I was scratching up the plastic trim under the door. So just be careful if you're using a flathead. Try to put like a microfiber underneath it before you stick it into the little notch. But I do want to give a huge shout out to Bimmer plug. That's exactly where I got these shadow lights at. If you guys are looking for any parts for your BMW, whether you have an M series, a 3 series, 4 series, whatever car you have, check out Bimmer plug. That's where I get most of my parts from. And Kevin from Bimmer plug, he's been so great. So definitely check them out. Let them know DJ sent you. Also, if you get parts from them, just tag them on Instagram, give them a little shout out. Just so that they have that recognition, because I feel like Bimmer plug as a whole, they don't get a lot of recognition. They're very small, but they have great product. So definitely hit them up. So since we finished the install with the shadow lights, the next thing is going to be take 2 of the Shime Armor. I'm going to go ahead and install it on the inside of my glass today. We're doing it on the black M3. Before, I know we did it on the white one. We're going to get to the white one another day because I'm low-key don't feel like doing it today. But let's go ahead and install the Shime Armor today. Alright, so I went ahead and take off the impact sticker that I had up there. For me, it was a trophy because it was my first impact, but I'm probably going to save this somewhere just because I'm really happy that I went to impact. But let's go ahead and get the other half done and get into it. Boom, the installation is done. I did go ahead and install it to the inside of the glass, and now we're good to go. If you guys are looking to pick up your very own anti-fog hero, please head on over to shimearmor.com. Use the promo code GFB20 to save yourself 20% off on your next purchase. It doesn't just gotta be the anti-fog hero. It could be anything on their website. If you need any detailing products, anything that could keep your car clean and looking nice, they have it. So head on over to shimearmor.com and use promo code GFB20 to save yourself 20% off. But yeah, guys, today's video is actually very quick and easy, very short, straight to the point. I only had two things to do. I had to install the shadow lights, and I also had to install reinstall the Shime Armor to the glass, just so that it's installed properly. But for real, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys been rocking with the video so far. I've been getting a lot of feedback from the past two videos, and I love it. I don't know if you guys are just excited to see the car back, just as I am excited. But if you guys are into the content that you're seeing in the channel, please comment below. Let me know what else you guys want to see. And also, if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like button down below. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at isthatdj. And I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Y'all be safe, you hear me? Peace.